Good morning, students. Today again we will just start with the topic preparation of the balance sheet of the reconstituted firm. We have discussed what is reconstitution. When the change is there in profit sharing ratio among the existing partners, there is need to reconstitute the firm. So for that reason, before making the balance sheet, there is need to make some of the ledger accounts like we have already discussed, making of revaluation account. Revaluation account beta, it is prepared so as to show the revaluation of assets and reassessment of liabilities. We know that some of the assets and some of the liabilities, there is change in their values. Due to that change should be shown in the account named as revaluation account. Some assets may be increased, some assets may be decreased, some liabilities may increase, some liabilities may be decreased. Some of the assets and liabilities must be unrecorded. So that should be recorded. So all that effect we need to show in account named as revaluation account that we have discussed in the previous lecture. That how to make revaluation account, what are the various entries for making revaluation account. So we will continue with the same thing in this topic also. Before making balance sheet, there is need to make the revaluation account and revaluation account along with the partner's capital account. So whatever change will be there in the capital account too, that will be shown in the balance sheet. So balance sheet will show the change in the capital account of the partners as well as change in the assets and liabilities values. So we need to make preparation of the balance sheet of the reconstituted firm. This is the reason why we will start this topic. So we will take one example bache, so as to clear how to make revaluation account, how to make partners capital account, then preparing the balance sheet. So listen the statement carefully. We have statement example 17 of your book at page 4.26. Ashok, Bheem and Chetan were partners in a firm, sharing profits in the ratio 3:2:1. So we need to write in brief name of the partners Ashok, Bheem and Chetan. We have given old ratio of these three partners, that is 3:2:1. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2015 were as follows. In the balance sheet you can see what is given. On the liability side we have creditors, bills payable, general reserve. So we know that we have already do this thing ki when the general reserve is given in the balance sheet, we have two ways treatment. If it is nothing mentioned about the treatment of general reserve, all the general reserve existed in the balance sheet on the liability side should be divided among the existing partners in their old profit sharing ratio. That means in partners capital account we will put the amount of general reserve in the old ratio on the credit side. Clear bache? Then we have capital accounts given Ashok, Bheem and Chetan. So this will be opening of the partner's capital account. With this balance we will start the partner capital account. On the asset side we have given some of the assets, land, building, plant, stock, debtors, bank. Right beta? Ashok, Bheem and Chetan decided to share future profits equally. So the information which is required step by step, we know that new ratio is also required. Equally means 1:1:1. With these two information, we know what we have to calculate bache. We need to calculate the sacrifice or gains. We will use one formula, sacrifice ratio, that is old share minus new share. Clear bache? Old share, first of all we have Ashok. What is the old share of Ashok? 3:5:1:6, 3/6. New share 1/3. LCM 6. 3, 2, 1/6. Clear bache? This is the sacrifice made by Ashok. Likewise we will have Bheem. His old one is 2/6. New one 1/3. LCM 6. So he was not affected with the change. Then Chetan 1/6 minus new 1/3. LCM 6, but his share is negative. Negative, we know when we use sacrifice ratio formula, that partner will be called as a gaining partner. So who is sacrificing partner? Partner Ashok. One is gaining, one is sacrificing. So this thing is very important. This is first working note we need. What is next statement, bache? Their ratio has been changed to new with effect from 1st April 2015. For this, it was agreed that goodwill of the firm valued 3 lakh. Now, this is firm's goodwill given. With the help of this information, we will see ki what change is there in the goodwill. Who is the gaining partner? Chetan. So, from the firm's goodwill, we will calculate Chetan's share. Firm's goodwill, it is given 3 lakh. What is next step? Chetan's gain in it, that is 1 by 6. So what is the total gain, bache? It is 50,000. Bheem is not affected, but Ashok is sacrificing partner. Ashok sacrifice, that should be the same amount because he has the same share. Clear, bache? So for this, we have journal entry, that is gaining partner to sacrificing partner. So Chetan capital account debited to Ashok capital account with rupees 50,000. So gaining partner Chetan, he has compensated to Ashok with rupees 50,000. Clear, bache? Now what next? It is given land be revalued 1,60,000, building be depreciated by 6%, creditors of 12,000 were not likely to be claimed and hence be written off. That means decrease in the value of creditors. Liability kam hui hai. Prepare revaluation account, prepare partner's capital account and balance sheet of the reconstituted firm. So this way we have calculated one concept, that is calculation of sacrifice ratio. We get the gaining partner, we get the sacrificing partner. With that, we have put the entry Chetan's capital account debited to Ashok capital account. Total firm's goodwill it is given. Out of that, we will just multiply gaining partner share, multiplying sacrificing partner share. We will put the entry. Now we need to make a revaluation account. So already we have discussed how to make revaluation account. Whatever information is given, we have discussed that, which will be shown in revaluation account, that will be placed in the account. Debit and credit. We know the format, how to prepare particulars, amount, particulars and amount. Clear, bache? Now, first item it is land be revalued 1,60,000. We know land existing value given 1 lakh, but now revised value is 1,60,000. So what is the increase? 60,000. Increase in asset will be put on credit side. Then there is building depreciated by 6%. Decrease in the asset. Building. What is the value of building given, bache? 1 lakh. So 1 lakh ka 6%, 6,000. Next we have creditors 12,000 were not likely to be claimed. So when creditors value is decreased, that means liability is decreased. Whatever decreased value is there, we will just show that. What is the amount of decreased value of creditors which is not to be claimed? 12,000. So what is the concluding step? Total of both sides 72,000 we have on credit side. Debit it is of 6,000. So what is the divisible profit? It is 72,000 minus 6,000. That means 66,000. Clear, bache? 66,000 we have the balance, that is divisible profit. So this should be divided between Ashok, Bheem and lastly Chetan. Clear, bache? 66,000 should be divided in the old ratio 3:2:1. How to divide? 3 by 6, then 2 by 6, 1 by 6. Clear, bache? So we will have this calculation. Quite simple. Go for simple calculation. Okay. So this is the amount of profit which is to be transferred. What will you write, bache? To profit transferred to partner's capital account. Name of the partner: Ashok, Bheem and Chetan. You will transfer the amount, bache, 33, 22 and 11,000. So total of two sides will be equal to each other. This is how we have to make the revaluation account, showing the increase in asset, showing the decrease in liability, decrease in value of asset, differences, divisible profit, transfer to three partners in the old profit sharing ratio. The working note we have shown along with it. Clear hai bache? Now next thing we have making of partners capital account. Partners capital account. We know what is the format of making capital account. As many partners we have, we need to show that many columns for all the various partners. In this question we have three partners, so that way we will put three columns on both debit and credit side. Clear bache? Completion of format is very important because board used to cut the marks for all these things. Particulars, both sides. Then name of the partner: Ashok, Bheem and Chetan. Ashok, Bheem and Chetan. Clear bache? We used to start from the credit side as we have given in the question, that is opening balance of the partner's capital account, 2 lakh, 1 lakh and 50,000. As you know that we have step marking in account subject. So whatever posting you will do correctly, you will get the credit for that. This is the first entry. This is the first amount which we have shown, that is opening balance of partner's capital account. Now we know one by one whatever is given. We have given value of general reserve in the balance sheet. If nothing is mentioned, the general reserve of rupees 60,000 will be divided among all the partners in the old ratio. So what is the ratio? 3:2:1. So that way it is quite simple. 30,000, 20,000, 10,000 will be divided among three partners. Then we will show whatever results we have in the form of revaluation account. In this question we have solved that it is a profit on revaluation account. What amount of profit we have calculated just now, bache? 33,000, 22,000 and 11,000. So this is the value of revaluation result, that is a profit. If it is profit, it will be put on credit side. हमने पहले भी किया था फर्स्ट टॉपिक में फंडामेंटल्स में कि whatever is given to the partners, that is always credited to their partners capital account. Whatever is taken from the partners, that should be debited to partners capital account. So हम revaluation account का profit उनको दे रहे हैं, general reserve दे रहे हैं, उनको opening balance है, all that should be shown on the credit side. Now next we have putting the entry effect of goodwill. So what entry we have in goodwill? हमने क्या डाली थी बच्चे? One partner is gaining partner, other partner is sacrificing partner. So Chetan was gaining and Ashok was sacrificing. So that way we have put the entry Chetan's capital account debited to Ashok capital account. Chetan's capital account debited to Ashok capital account. Clear है बच्चे? Chetan's capital account debited to Ashok capital account. Amount was 50,000. Shown the amount in Chetan. Likewise, we will have this side entry also by Chetan's कैपिटल अकाउंट। भी पता हमने प्लस वन में सीखी हुई है, कॉन्ट्राएंटिव डाली थी है ना कैश बुक में। सो दैट वे वी हैव टू शो द एंट्री इन बोथ द अकाउंट्स ऑफ पार्टनर्स। चेतन्स कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट टू अशोक्स कैपिटल अकाउंट। अमाउंट विल बी पुट इन। अब देखो ध्यान से बच्चे, अशोक के अकाउंट में क्रेडिट हुआ है क्योंकि अशोक को सेक्रीफाइस हुआ तो उसको दिया है। चेतन के अकाउंट में 50,000 डेबिट हुआ बिकॉज चेतन हैज टू गिव द अमाउंट टू अशोक। So this way we have shown the effect of goodwill in both Ashok and Chetan's capital account. Now what is the other thing, that is how to complete this capital account to have the balance of both the sides. So that way we need to total, बहुत carefully करनी calculation बच्चे, clear? Is it right? Clear बच्चे? So this is the total of credit side. Now we will see कि what are the debit balances given. Minus करके जो आएगा that will be the closing capital of the reconstituted firm. इसको बैलेंसिंग फिगर भी बोलते हैं, BF लिख सकते हैं आप साथ में, ठीक है। अदरवाइज हमने बैलेंस कैरी डाउन तो लिख ही दिया। 3,30,000 इधर कोई बैलेंस ही नहीं है, इसका मतलब 3,13,000 विल बी द closing capital of Ashok in the new firm. 142 it will be of Bhim. 71 minus 50, quite simple calculation, 21,000. So we have to total both sides. We know it should be equal to each other. Clear buddy? This is partners capital account and we know that we have to complete with the revised balance sheet of reconstituted firm. इसको revised balance sheet भी बोलते हैं बच्चे। As at 1st April 2015. Clear है बच्चे? Now we have to prepare balance sheet. जब भी आप बैलेंस शीट बनाएं बच्चे, वी नीड टू सी द फॉर्मेट विच इज ऑलरेडी गिवन। आपके पास बैलेंस शीट क्वेश्चन में है, वही सीक्वेंस हम मेंटेन करेंगे और जो चेंजेस हैं वो चेंजेस हम शो कर देंगे, ठीक है। ऊपर नीचे करने की जरूरत नहीं होती है। हम देखते हैं लायबिलिटी साइड में हमें क्या दिया हुआ बच्चे। वी हैव गिवन द वैल्यू ऑफ क्रेडिटर्स फर्स्ट। Now we need to show reconstituted, that means revised values of assets and liabilities will be taken. So revised values में creditors decreased by 12,000, it was 1 lakh. अगर हम 1 lakh में से 12,000 माइनस करें तो what is the value left बच्चे? 88,000. Clear है बच्चे? Then we have given bills payable. What is the amount? There is no change in that. So exactly same we will continue in the reconstituted balance sheet. General reserve we need not to take. Why? Because already we have distributed the same in partners capital account. उसका इफेक्ट कैपिटल अकाउंट में हमने शो कर दिया। क्लियर है? वो खत्म हो गया बच्चे। कैपिटल अकाउंट अशोक, भीम और चेतन ओपनिंग थी, हमने ऑलरेडी शो कर दी। नाउ वी नीड टू शो दिस कैपिटल इन द बैलेंस शीट। सो व्हाट विल यू राइट बच्चे? कैपिटल अकाउंट्स नेम Ashok, Bhim and Chetan. So what is the balances we have calculated? 3,13,000, 1,42,000 and 21,000. This way put the line, get the total outside. 3,2,5,1,6, 1,5,2,7, 3,1,4. Alignment जरूरी है बच्चे। There is no item to be shown on the liability side. Now we will start with the asset side. First item we have given land. Whatever changes we have, we will show those changes. So whatever changes in the value of land that we will show now, it is increased by 60. So latest value is बच्चे 1,60,000. Then we have building. It is depreciated by 6%. So value of building will be decreased by 6,000. Now it will be remaining 94,000. Next we have plant. Plant, there is no change. Whose value is not changed, it will be shown with the same book value. It is 2 lakh. Next is stock. Stock, there is no change. We will same value of stock now, 80,000. Then we have debtors. Debtors, again there is no change bache, so we will continue with the same value that is given, 60,000. Then we have bank balance. Again there is no change in bank balance, continued with the same 10,000. So you can see yourself bache what changes we have done. One in land, increase in the value of 60, building decrease in value by 6,000. Then we have decrease in the value of creditors that we have shown. Capital account is changed, new values of capital accounts we have taken. Rest all the things which is not changed that we have shown with the same values. Now we need to total of both the sides. It should be equal to each other. Six lakh 4,000. So this is how to make the balance sheet and partners capital account. Earlier we have discussed to make the revaluation account. So this is full length question. You may get it for 6 marks as well as for 8 marks. You can see once yourself bache. Clear? So we will start with the next topic, that is adjustment of capital. With this we will going to complete your chapter. Adjustment of capital. Sometimes it is there bache in the statement that partners they decide that the capital shall be in the profit sharing ratio. Which profit sharing ratio? New profit sharing ratio. So in that case we need to show adjusted capital. We need to calculate adjusted capital of the partners. So what is the way how we have to calculate this adjusted capital of the partners in the new profit sharing ratio? Whatever difference will be there after putting the amount as closing in the new profit sharing ratio of the partners, in that case it will be either the amount withdrawn by the partner or it may be amount of cash brought in by the partner. So clearing this concept of adjustment of capital, I am going to take one example, right? So example of your book only, the last example, that is illustration 21. Okay, read the statement bache. STUV were partners in a firm in the ratio 4:3:2:1. I used to write old ratio STUV, that is 4:3:2:1. Then 1st April 2006 the balance sheet was as follows. It is given in the on 1st April 2016 sum of the assets, sum of the liabilities, capital है की, creditors की value given है, workman compensation reserve is also given. We know what is workman compensation reserve. It is a reserve which is set aside out of profit to meet the claim against workers, right? So that claim must be compensated from the workman compensation reserve. If after meeting the claim something is left out, we know that it should be divided in partners capital account in the old ratio on the credit side of partners capital account. So that way we will see what is the statement is telling us. Now on the asset side we have fixed assets, we have current assets too. Below it is given from the above data, partners decided to share the future profits 3:1:2:4. 3:1:2:4. क्लियर बच्चे? तो दोनों चीजें गिवन है. पहला स्टेप हमेशा हमारा क्या होता है? कैलकुलेटिंग द सेक्रीफाइसिंग रेशियो. What is next given? For this purpose, the goodwill of the firm was valued 90,000. फॉर्म्स गुडविल जो गिवन चीजें है ना बच्चे लिख लिया करो ताकि पता हो हमें क्या क्या करना है. फॉर्म्स गुडविल इट इज गिवन 90,000. क्लियर? नाउ व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट? The partners who also agreed for the following. क्या क्या है? पहला पॉइंट है the claim for workman compensation has been estimated 70,000. What is the amount of reserve given? 60. तो क्लेम ज़्यादा है, लाइबिलिटी ज़्यादा है और आपका रिजर्व कम है, तो सारे का सारा रिजर्व यूज हो जाएगा बच्चे. नथिंग विल बी लेफ्ट टू गिवन टू द पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट, कुछ भी नहीं देना हमें उनको. तो एक्स्ट्रा लाइबिलिटी जो हो जाएगी ऑफ 10,000 दैट विल बी पुट ऑन द लाइबिलिटी डेबिट साइड ऑफ रीवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट. ठीक है, वो हम रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट में ले जाएंगे. सेकेंड पॉइंट, इट इज गिवन टू एडजस्ट द कैपिटल. ये हम कंसेप्ट कर रहे हैं एडजस्टमेंट ऑफ कैपिटल. क्या लिखा हुआ है? टू एडजस्ट द कैपिटल ऑफ पार्टनर्स अकॉर्डिंग टू न्यू प्रॉफिट रेशो बाय ओपनिंग पार्टनर्स करंट अकाउंट. क्लियर है बच्चे? कहते हैं हमने जो पार्टनर्स की कैपिटल है वो हमने न्यू प्रॉफिट रेशो में डिवाइड करनी है. उसके बाद जो डिफरेंस आता है दैट इज टू बी शोन either cash brought amount to be brought in by the partner or to be withdrawn by the partner. That should be by opening partner's current account. Prepare revaluation account, prepare partner's capital account and balance sheet of the reconstituted firm. Statement clear होगी बच्चे? So we will start with the very first step, that is sacrificing ratio. Old share minus new share. First is S. S old is 4, 3, 7, 2, 9 and 10. 4 by 10, 3, 1, 4, 2, 6, 10. 3 by 10. So his sacrifice is 1 by 10. Clear है बच्चे? Then we have another partner T. It is old share is 3 by 10. New is 1 by 10. His sacrifice is 2 by 10. Now next is U. U's old is 2 by 10. New is 2 by 10. He is not affected. V. 1 by 10 old. New is 4 by 10. 3 by 10. That means he is a gaining partner. Both are सेक्रीफाइसिंग पार्टनर. हमने पहले भी कहा था कि जितना गेन है उतना ही सेक्रीफाइस होता है, तब भी हम एंट्री डालते हैं गेनिंग पार्टनर कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू सेक्रीफाइसिंग पार्टनर कैपिटल अकाउंट. नाउ वी हैव firm goodwill just written over here. Now what is next step? We know that we will multiply gaining partner share. V's gain 90,000 into 3 by 10, 27,000. Clear है बच्चे? S and T sacrifice. S sacrifice 90,000 into 1 by 10. That means 9,000 only. Likewise we have T sacrifice 90,000 into 2 by 10, 18,000. क्लियर है बच्चे? अब आप देखिए 19, 18, 27 और गेन भी कितना है वी को 27,000. सो व्हाट वी हैव, वी नीड टू पुट द जर्नल एंट्री. वर्किंग नोट की फॉर्म में दिखा सकते हैं आप, सो एज टू क्लियर इट योरसेल्फ. तो जर्नल एंट्री क्या हुई बच्चे? वीज गेन है ना, वी का गेन है तो वी कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिटेड विद 27,000 टू एस कैपिटल अकाउंट. इसका इफेक्ट हमें कैपिटल अकाउंट में दिखाना होता है बच्चे. टू टी कैपिटल अकाउंट 9,000, 18,000. डेबिट शुड बी इक्वल टू क्रेडिट. क्लियर है? सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप वी हैव डन. Writing the old ratio, new ratio. With this two sacrifice ratio formula. S, T, U भी चारों का हमने निकाला. U is not affected with this. His share is nil. 110, 210 sacrifice part. 3 by 10 V is gain. Firm's goodwill 90,000 it is given. V is gain in goodwill 27,000. S sacrifice, T sacrifice 9,000, 18,000. With this we have put the entry V's capital account debited 27,000 to S capital account to T capital. Every question have this concept. तो आपके स्टेप मार्किंग है, बड़े आराम से आप इन चीज़ों के मार्क्स ले सकते हैं. क्लियर है बच्चे? नाउ वी विल प्रोसीड विद द नेक्स्ट, दैट इज मेकिंग ऑफ रीवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट एज इट इज गिवन इन द स्टेटमेंट कि वी नीड टू मेक द रीवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट. Revaluation account We need to draw the format up to that length which is required. बहुत ज़्यादा बड़े बड़े बनाने की जरूरत नहीं बच्चे, आप स्टेटमेंट पढ़ के आइडिया लगा सकते हैं कि कितना बड़ा आपको फॉर्मेट बनाना है, अकाउंट बनाना है. क्लियर है? Now we will see keyword items we have given to put in revaluation account. So that way we have given only one item, that is about the workman compensation reserve and workman compensation claim. Workman compensation reserve, it is given 60,000 and workman compensation claim, it is 70,000. So that means claim is increased by 10,000. So we will write here workman compensation claim account increase of liability 10,000. और कुछ नहीं है हमारे पास रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट में डालने के लिए. सो दैट वे वी विल जस्ट हैव पुटिंग द अमाउंट ऑन क्रेडिट साइड ऑफ रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट, दैट इज लॉस ट्रांसफर टू पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. नेम ऑफ द पार्टनर्स, वी हैव 4 पार्टनर्स, S, T, U and V. S capital account, T capital account, U capital account and V capital account. Clear है बच्चे? So when you divide 10,000 in the old ratio, that is 4:3:2, so simply we have 4,000, 3,000, 2,000 and 1,000. So total of both the sides will be equal now. Clear बच्चे? This is revaluation account we have prepared. Likewise we will make partners capital account. Partners capital account, here we have to learn one new concept, adjustment of capital. So we will make lengthy showing 4 partners columns. Clear बच्चे? Now complete the format first. Name of the partner, S, T, U, V. Okay, we used to write the opening balance first by balance brought down. In this question it is also given what is the opening balance of STUV, 2 lakh, 1,50,000, 1 lakh and 50,000. So very first step, 2 lakh, 1,50,000, 1 lakh and lastly we have 50,000. Clear बच्चे? This is given. Now next we will see कि what is the result of revaluation account. This is loss. When there is a loss to the partner, we need to put on debit side. You will write to revaluation account. That is 4,000, 3,000, 2,000 and 1,000. Loss we have put in. Then next we have about the जनरल रिजर्व है ही नहीं हमारे पास, वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन रिजर्व सारा यूज हो गया बच्चे. इफेक्ट ऑफ गुडविल, इट इज देयर और नॉट? Yes, it is there. So what entry we have put for goodwill, that is V capital account debited to S to T. So V capital account debited to S capital account to T capital account. ठीक है, ST but it is gain of V. तो यहाँ से हम डेबिट करेंगे V के अकाउंट को बाय 9,000 ऑपोजिट S and 18,000 ऑपोजिट T. क्लियर है बच्चे? यू नीड टू शो इट क्लियरली, बट ऑन दिस साइड वी विल राइट बाय V's कैपिटल अकाउंट. इन S इट विल बी 9,000, S को 9,000 दिए हमने and T it is 18,000. Clear? So we have shown the effect of adjustment of goodwill, that is firm's goodwill is given gaining partner to sacrificing partner. So just see कि this is the all various amounts we have to show. We have shown in the partner's capital account. But now the next step is, as per the statement we have to adjust the capital of the partners. We used to calculate carry down, but here he has कि adjust the capital account of partners according to NPR by opening partners current account. So in this case we need to show the working note. I'm just doing your working note over here related to adjustment of capital. Right beta? Adjustment of capital. So we need to check कि what is the total capital of the new firm. Total capital of new firm after adjustment. राइट बेटा, यही चीज़ है ना कि हमने निकालनी है टोटल कैपिटल ऑफ न्यू फर्म आफ्टर एडजस्टमेंट. तो हम देख सकते हैं कि 2,09,000 माइनस 4,000. तो हमारे पास एस की कैपिटल क्या आई है बच्चे? 2 लाख इट इज प्लस 9,000 minus 4,000 debit. So what is the capital of S? It is 2,05,000. Likewise T, it is 1,50,000 plus 18,000 minus 3,000. So what is the value left? 1,65,000. U, it is 1 lakh minus 2,000, 98,000. Then V, 50,000 minus 1,000, 10,000, 27, 28,000. Clear है बच्चे? So what is the value left? 22,000. Now we know that new firm's capital it comes out addition of all the four. $4,90,000. Clear है बच्चे? Now this amount of capital must be divided in the new ratio. Divided in NPR. NPR क्या है तीनों चारों की? That is 4:2:4. So this is the new ratio बच्चे. Right? मैंने old ratio लिख दी थी by mistake. So this ratio will help you to calculate new capital of the partners. So that way we will calculate it is 1,47,000. Then we have 49,000, 98,000 and 1,96,000. क्लियर है बच्चे? ऑलरेडी टोटल किया हुआ है 2,09,000. तो अगर आप ये माइनस करेंगे 4,000 and 147,000 you will get amount. You will write here to S current account. तो आप जब माइनस करेंगे you must get 58,000. करके देख लेंगे आप. क्या करना हमने? 2,09,000 टोटल आ गया क्रेडिट साइड का. वी हैव टू आइटम्स, टू अमाउंट्स 4,000, 147,000 ऐड करके माइनस करके यू विल गेट दिस फिगर 58,000. अब 58,000 के लिए हम लिखेंगे क्या? क्वेश्चन में लिखा हुआ है कि इट शुड बी बाय ओपनिंग पार्टनर्स करंट अकाउंट. तो हमने क्या लिखा? एस का है तो एस करंट अकाउंट 58,000. देन लाइकवाइज वी विल डू फॉर अदर आल्सो. 1,68,000 इसका भी आएगा बच्चे. When you just have the difference it will be 1,16,000. तो instead of S current account हम लिख देते हैं partners current account. सबके लिए कॉमन आ जाएगा ना. पार्टनर्स करंट अकाउंट एस में आ गए तो एस का करंट अकाउंट हो गया, टी में आ गए तो टी का करंट अकाउंट हो गया. क्लियर है बच्चे? देन वी हैव 1 लाख ऑफ यू. यहाँ पे भी क्या है? 1 लाख है तो इसका कोई डिफरेंस नहीं आ रहा बच्चे. देन लास्टली वी हैव 50,000. यहाँ पे क्या है? वी विल जस्ट हैव दिस साइड टोटल आल्सो 2,09,000, 1,68,000, 1 lakh. Now total of debit side 2,24,000 is the total of debit side. 50,000 माइनस करेंगे सो नेचुरली हम लिखेंगे वी करंट अकाउंट with the amount that is 1,74,000. The total will be 2,24,000. Both the total should be equal to each other. Clear है बच्चे? इसको एक बार आप देखें. So this is how we have put the adjustment of capital in the partner's capital account. Clear है? Just once you see yourself. And lastly we will make the balance sheet. Now we will finish with the balance sheet of the reconstituted firm. This is revised balance sheet of the reconstituted balance sheet. It is revised as at. Now it is as at, not as on 1st April 2016. Clear है बच्चे? Now this balance sheet with the changes in capital account and if assets and liabilities are revalued and reassessed. So every question is just like this. You may go with number of questions yourself. We will show the balance sheet as per given information. We have first sundry creditors, that is 80,000, no changes there. Now we know that current account we have done, V's current account, it is 1,70,000, right beta? It is a debit balance, so debit balance will be put on asset side. T, S and T they have credit balance. जिस side ज़्यादा होता है वही balance बोला जाता है बच्चे. T and S both have credit balance. It will be put on liability side. So we will write here that is S current account. T is current account. What is the amount we have calculated? Difference जो आया था बच्चे 58,000, 1,16,000 हमने निकाला हुआ है, आप देख सकते हैं. Then provision for workman compensation claim, VCC workman compensation claim, it is now 70,000. तो रिजर्व तो नहीं रहा, हमारी लाइबिलिटी बढ़ गई थी. जितना भी आपका क्लेम है that will be put on the liability side. And we have capital accounts S, T, U and V. Whatever balances we have calculated as per new ratio, 1,47,000, 49,000, 98,000 and 1,96,000. So total of this all it is 4,90,000. New forms capital. Then we have assets. There is no change in assets, so fixed assets. It is 4,40,000 given. As such, we will take current assets. It is 2 lakh taken as same. Then we have V's current account. मैंने आपको बताया था कि V का डेबिट बैलेंस है, तो obviously it is to be put on debit side, asset side 1,74,000. So total of both the sides we know that balance sheet है तो equally होगा बच्चे. So when you go with the total it comes out 8,14,000. So whatever we have discussed, this is the full length question. It may be 6 mark, it may be 8 marks question in your exam. So whatever is discussed, it is logically with understanding. We have to do step by step all the various things. So with this we have completed your chapter change in profit sharing ratio among the existing partners.